Okay, welcome to this part 2 of how to customize and easily use TradingView. Now, sometimes when you open your TradingView, the chart may not appear like this. The chart may just appear so straight, like a straight line, but you want it to be very visible for you. All you have to do is click on this right up here, the text section. When you double click on it, you see everything will be bold. Then sometimes even the chart may just disappear from the screen and then you'll be confused. All you have to do is just double click on the screen, everything will see. So all you have to do, double click on the screen, the chart will come back to its original position. Then if the charts are clustered together like this and you want it to be very visible for you, you just have to use your two fingers to separate your screen. When you tap on the screen and separate, you see that the chart will be there. Then if you want to see the chart at the right proportion, you can use one of your finger to bring the chart backward or forward, just like that. Then that's how to make sure that your chart is in perfect order. There are sometimes when you click on this text section, the chart will just be on a straight line, but you want to see some part of the chart, you can use your finger also to scroll down, up or down on this text section. So if I scroll down, I can be able to take the chart to any direction I want to take it to. But if you double click on it, you cannot take it up, you cannot take it down. You can only make it horizontal, right or left or right. So but if you want to take it up or down, you just have to scroll up or down this text section. You can be able to adjust the candlestick. Now, when I'm able to do that, I want to actually go into customization of each of the tools that you'll be using. Now, the first tools I usually use is how do I add this text section, this indicator on my screen that will be showing me the pair, the time, and all of that, the time frame I'm in. It's very easy. Just click on this section here on that FS. When you click on it, it will take you to the indicator sections. Then you can search for it. This is the one I'm using right now, this AGS watermark. So how do you get it? To get it, you just type on this search section. When you type, you just type AGS AGFS. When you tap on the AG, then FS, it will take you there. You can just see it. Then you can also add to your favorite so that you don't have to be searching for it every time you want to make use of it. Then when you have done that, it will now appear here. So when it appears there, you can be able to customize it accordingly. Like you click on the AGS FS watermark, you click on the settings, that settings symbol there, then you can be able to adjust and customize it as you like. Then you can be able to use that. Then to use other things, other indicators, you can be able to do that also with the same method. That's for that. Then the next thing I want to be doing is how do I have all my tools here? This is the tools I usually use to trade easily, that I usually make use of. So how do I customize them? To customize, you can click on this place. When you click on that symbol there, it will take you to this section. When you take you to that section, you scroll down. You can be able to select anything you want to add to your favorite so that you can display like this. So maybe I want to add this gambus to my favorite. I click on, I just hold it down, not to click, I hold it down. It will pop out, add to favorite. I click on it. You see it has already added to my favorite on the screen there. Then to remove it from the favorite, as I'm seeing there, I'll just come to my favorite section here also and try to hold it down. You see remove from favorite, I can now remove it. That's how I was able to put up all these ones on my screen. Those are the tools I use. Then to easily make use of them without stress, one of the reasons why TradingView is very interesting. Now I want to make use of this trend line. I'll just click on it. When I click on this trend line, then I take it to where I want to make use of it. I click it, then it will come out. You see, I can now drag it to any point I want to drag it to. When I've done that, I can drag it to any point I want to drag it. When I've done that, I can click on it. I can now, maybe I want to write text or I want to change the color. You click on this 3 arrow there. Then, for you to understand very well, let me annotate. Then you click on this edge. When you click on the edge, you scroll down to the setting section. That's, you now click on the setting. When you have done that, you can be able to see all these options to customize any particular tools. The first one is the text size. If you want to change it, you click on to change the color of the text. You click on it. Now we're going to this to style it. But first thing first, this thing will not be activated, so you have to click on this text, that blue line, to make sure that the text section of this particular trend line is activated. Then you go to the style section. The style section is just like this. The line, you can be able to click on the line. For me, I want the line to be white. That's why I chose white. Then after you have done that, it will now appear like this. So if you want to add text, anything you want to add, you click on the setting, text. If I want to add 15 minutes inducement, for example, then I'll click on it. It will show like this. Then these other text adjustments, middle and center, I want them to be at the middle and center, so I just customize already middle, top, middle, bottom, just like that. But this is how I customize mine. Now, what if I want to use this tool again? I'll now click on it. Here I want to use it for this up session. So when you click on it, you have already here. I want to make use of this tools again. Then I want to also have 15 minutes inducement, for example. I want to write 15 minutes inducement. I'll be writing it over and over again, be doing the same thing, like going to the setting and then type 15 minutes inducement. To save you those stress of typing 15 minutes inducement, you cannot save the tool so you can reuse it. How do you do that? You click on this 3 dot there, go to the setting, then you click on templates. When you click on templates, you see I've already added a lot of my templates here that I usually use, so that it will save me time without going over and typing it again. So if you have not already added the template, you click on save as. Then when you click on save as, you can now be able to type. Maybe I want to type 15 minutes inducement. I can abbreviate it as 15 minutes IDM. You can see that I already have it here, so I don't have to save it again. So now if I want to add and make use of this 15 minutes inducement again, all I have to do is just take the arrow here, and then when I take the arrow, I type on the screen to make sure that yes, I finished drawing the arrow. I tap on the screen again. It will not pop out like this. When it pop out, I just want me to go to this 3 dot. I'm trying to write again. I will just have to click on this section. When I click on that section, it will bring out the template. Then I can be looking for my template. My template is 15 minutes inducement. I click on 15 minutes inducement. You see, it's already here without me trying to type what I want to type again. So that's just how to customize it. Then that's for that. You can see this one too for the boss session. The same process. I customize it. I want my text to be in the center, all of that. Then I customize. If you want to use my customization, that's what I'm showing you. The border, I just use this part for the border, and then bring everything down to the opacity to 30. Then the middle black, and then the opacity to 0. Then the background depends on what I want to use it for. Now the red background, I want to use it for the supply zone. Then the green background, I want to use it for the demand zone. So I already saved the template. You see, this is what I do. I already saved the template I want to use, just like that. So if I'm using a 15 minutes extreme EOB, for example, I already used this arrow to customize it. That yes, 15 minutes will be, that's on my supply side. 15 minutes UOB. I've used this arrow, down arrow tool as my demand side. So if I click on it, everything will just pop out easily like that. Now let's go to this buying and selling tool. So this is for the buying tool. How do I customize it? It's just the same process, setting, then it will be showing red and green already, but this is how I customize my own. In case you want to use my own setting, that's why I'm showing it. You just have to click on stop color. I change it to this number 5 color. When you count from here, 1 2 3 4 5. So I use the number fifth color for my stop color. Then the take profit color is already the same. It's just the same the way it came. Now the text color I change to black, and then the height of the text color is just 15. That's the same process for the buying and selling one. Then this one, just like all these other ones, you can easily customize them. And that this for my Fibonacci retracement. Then you have this other one to draw out any structure you want to draw out. You just customize it. Also setting, maybe I don't want it to be bold. I want it to, if you don't want any line to be bold, you can put it the thickness at that. You can change the thickness as you want. So right now I'm going to change this thickness to this tiny one, then and okay. The color also, you can change the color even easily without going to the setting. You can select any of the color. You can see that's how I customize my own chart. The tools I use to mark out my chart, just like that. The same process for this one. If you have red, you can change it to black or any color. Then the thickness also, you can easily change it here without going to the setting. You can change it just like that. So that's how you customize the tools you use for your TradingView. Then if you want your screen to be if you want all these things to disappear from this, that's you want a wider screen on the TradingView already, you just have to click on this place. When you click on that place, then your screen, all those other things at the bottom have disappeared. Then your screen can be large. You can zoom in, you can increase the height, then you can also make it very bold, your chart. So I hope this is helpful. Any other things you want me to do, let me know. Then to add a alert on the screen also, maybe I want when the candles just still get to this 15 minutes inducement, I want the candlestick to, I want the alert to inform me, so I can just, when you tap on the screen like this, you see this line, it is moving up and down. You can use this line to easily add alert that okay, when this candlestick price get to this 15 minutes inducement line, I want it to alert me. Just have to click on this plus sign, click on the plus sign, then you click on add alert. When you add the alert, the screen, so if you want to delete the alert also, when you click on it, you can easily click here and delete the alert. So I click and delete. It is, if you want to delete any of the tools also, click and then you'll see the delete icon there. You just have to click on it, also do what, and delete, then and delete. But if you don't want, maybe when you are working on the chart, your hand can easily touch any of the tools you have already positioned there, and then it will remove it from this position. But you don't want it to be removed from the position you have already placed it. Just want it to stay there. What you do is when you click on it, it will show this lock icon. You click on the lock, so that if you mistakenly touch on it, it will not disappear or go out of the location in the point you put it. That's how to customize the tools. I hope this is helpful. Please don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you very much.